the magic within you and how to activate it. Energy as magic. Greetings, my fellow travelers on the boundless journey of self-discovery. Today, we embark on an exploration of the most profound and transformative truth, the magic that lies dormant within each and every one of us. For too long, we have been conditioned to believe that magic exists only in the realms of fantasy and fairy tales. But the reality is that the true magic, the power to shape our lives and our world, resides not in distant lands or ancient tomes, but in the very core of our being. You see, the universe is not merely a collection of inanimate objects, but a tapestry of energy, a cosmic dance of vibrations and frequencies that permeate every aspect of our existence. And within this grand symphony, we are not mere spectators, but the conductors, the maestros, if you will, for we are imbued with the ability to manipulate these energies and, in doing so, to create the very fabric of our reality. Think for a moment about the power of a single thought, a fleeting notion that dances across the canvas of our consciousness. That thought, my friends, is not just a figment of our imagination, but a concentrated bundle of energy, radiating outward and interacting with the universal field. And when we align our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions with a clear and unwavering intention, we unleash a transformative force capable of manifesting our deepest desires and altering the very course of our lives. But the true magic, the boundless potential that lies within, is not just about the power of intention and manifestation. It is about the profound interconnectedness of all things, the realization that we are not isolated beings, but rather integral threads in the vast tapestry of the universe. When we truly grasp this truth, we unlock the door to a deeper understanding of our role and our responsibility in shaping the world around us. So, my friends, I invite you to embark on a journey of self-discovery, to unravel the mysteries of the energy that flows through you, and to unlock the magic that has been there all along. For in doing so, you will not only transform your own life, but you will also ripple outward, influencing the lives of those around you, and ultimately contributing to the evolution of our collective consciousness. The alchemy of manifestation. Harnessing the transformative power of energy, intention, and belief. In the pursuit of understanding the profound truth that permeates our very existence, we now delve deeper into the practical steps of harnessing and activating the magic that lies within us. The journey ahead is one of self-discovery, where we will uncover the transformative power of energy, intention, and belief, the key ingredients in the alchemy of manifestation. At the heart of this transformative process is the cultivation of a deep awareness of our own energy. Every thought we think and every emotion we feel is a manifestation of energy, a vibration that we emit into the world. These energies, in turn, interact with the universal field, attracting similar frequencies and shaping our experiences. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, we can learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing us to identify and release the negative patterns that hold us back. Through this process of self-reflection and inner exploration, we can begin to recognize the subtle shifts and fluctuations in our energy, and ultimately, we can learn to control and direct these energies towards our desired outcomes. This mastery of our own energy is the first step in the alchemy of manifestation, for it is the foundation upon which we build the power of intention and belief. Intention is the focused energy of our thoughts and desires, the guiding force that aligns our actions and emotions with a specific outcome. When we set a clear and positive intention, we create a powerful energetic signature that resonates with the universal field, attracting the people, opportunities, and circumstances that support our desired reality. Intention is the spark that ignites the transformation, the catalyst that sets the alchemy in motion. Belief, on the other hand, is the unwavering conviction that our intention will manifest. It is the faith in our own ability to influence and shape our reality. Without belief, our intentions lack the necessary energy to come to fruition. Therefore, cultivating a strong belief in our power to create our desired reality is crucial. Belief is the fuel that sustains the alchemy, the force that propels our intentions forward and brings them to life. By combining the power of intention and belief, we unlock the true magic that lies within us. We become the alchemists of our own lives, transforming the raw materials of our thoughts, emotions, and actions into the gold of our dreams and aspirations. This process is not one of passive waiting or blind hoping, but rather a conscious and deliberate act of co-creation with the universal field. Through the alchemy of manifestation, we harness the transformative power of energy, intention, and belief to shape our reality and manifest the life we truly desire. It is a journey of self-empowerment where we reclaim our role as the master alchemists of our own existence. So let us embrace this magic, for it is the key to unlocking the limitless potential that resides within each and every one of us. Quantum alchemy. Mastering the art of energy manipulation and conscious co-creation. In our continued exploration of the magic that lies within, we now turn our attention to the art of energy manipulation and the creation of quantum events in our lives. This journey takes us deeper into the understanding that the universe is not a static or predetermined realm, but rather a dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry of possibilities, a canvas upon which we possess the power to influence and reshape the very fabric of our reality. The key to this transformative process lies in the conscious manipulation of energy, and one of the most powerful tools at our disposal is the art of visualization. By creating vivid mental images of our desired outcomes, we send a powerful signal to the universal field, aligning our energy with the manifestation of our goals and aspirations. When we engage all of our senses in this visualization process, seeing, hearing, feeling, and even tasting the success we seek, we amplify the energy of our intention and accelerate the manifestation process. But the magic of energy manipulation does not stop at visualization. Our emotions, too, play a crucial role in shaping the reality we experience. Emotions are, after all, energy in motion, and the vibrations we emit have a profound impact on the frequencies we attract. Positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude have high vibrations, while negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness have low vibrations. By cultivating high vibrational emotions through practices like gratitude journaling, acts of kindness, and immersion in nature, we can raise our own energetic frequency and align with the positive quantum events we desire to manifest. At the same time, it is essential that we address and release any negative emotions that may be weighing us down. When we suppress or ignore these lower vibrations, they become trapped in our energy field, creating blockages that hinder the flow of positive energy. By acknowledging and processing these emotions, we can release them and restore the natural harmony of our energetic system, paving the way for the manifestation of our intentions. As we delve deeper into the magic of energy manipulation, we must also recognize the profound interconnectedness of all things. For we are not isolated beings, but rather integral parts of a vast, intertwined web of energy that extends far beyond our individual selves. Every thought, emotion, and action we emit has a ripple effect, influencing the larger field and contributing to the collective consciousness. By understanding and embracing this interconnectedness, we unlock the true power of our energy manipulation, the ability to not only transform our own lives, but to positively impact the lives of those around us, and ultimately, the world at large. We become quantum alchemists, consciously co-creating with the universal field to manifest the reality we envision, one vibration at a time. This journey of energy manipulation is not one of passive acceptance, but rather a proactive and empowering process of shaping our destiny. By harnessing the transformative power of visualization, emotion, and interconnectedness, we tap into the limitless potential that resides within us, unlocking the quantum alchemy that can reshape our lives and the world around us. The alchemy of transformation, unlocking the magic within. In the ever-evolving journey of our exploration, we have reached a profound moment of clarity, a realization that the true power to shape our reality, to manifest our deepest desires, and to create quantum shifts in our lives is not found in some distant, mystical realm, but rather it resides within the very core of our being. This is the transformative truth that has been unveiled throughout our collective quest. You see, when we fully embrace the understanding that we are not separate from the universe, but rather integral parts of a vast, interconnected web of energy, we unlock the doors to a level of personal empowerment and transformation that transcends the limits of our imagination. For in this interconnectedness, we discover the key to unlocking the alchemy of transformation, the ability to consciously direct our thoughts, emotions, and actions with clear intention and unwavering belief, becoming the alchemists of our own lives. As we transmute the raw materials of our experiences into the gold of our dreams and aspirations, we create a powerful ripple effect that extends far beyond our individual selves. Our energy, our vibrations, our very essence begin to influence the lives of those around us, contributing to the evolution of our collective consciousness. This is the true magic of our interconnectedness, the recognition that we are not mere passive observers but active participants in the cosmic dance, with the ability to shape the very fabric of reality through the power of our own energy. But the magic does not end there. As we deepen our understanding of this interconnectedness, we also come to recognize our responsibility to use this power with wisdom and discernment. We understand that the energy we emit, the vibrations we emanate, have a profound impact on the world around us, and it is our duty to ensure that we are channeling this energy towards positive and constructive ends. This realization, my friends, is the true essence of the magic within, the understanding that we are not just individuals seeking personal fulfillment, but rather we are part of a greater tapestry, woven together by the threads of our collective consciousness. It is our responsibility to use this power with intention to create a better world for all. As we conclude our journey, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on the transformative insights you have gained. Allow these truths to sink deep into your being, to become the foundation upon which you build your life and your legacy. For the magic within is not just a tool for personal transformation, but a means of creating a better world, one ripple at a time. Are you ready to step into the fullness of your power and unleash the magic that has been there all along? Then I encourage you to continue your exploration, to deepen your practice, and to share the wisdom you have gained with those around you. For in doing so, you will not only transform your own life, but you will contribute to the collective evolution of humanity. The magic is within you, my friends. Now is the time to activate it, to become the alchemists of your own lives, and to shape the future of our interconnected world.